Willkommen bei Exam Heist, Ihr Partner für Zertifizierungserfolg. Wir bieten umfassende Lernmaterialien, online und offline, und begleiten Sie Schritt für Schritt. Von PDF-Leitfäden bis zu praxisnahen Übungssätzen. Alle wichtigen Fragen für Ihre Zertifizierung sind abgedeckt. Sie haben jederzeit die richtigen Ressourcen griffbereit. Laden Sie PDFs herunter. Machen Sie Tests und nutzen Sie unser Expertenteam. Mit interaktiver Online-Praxis können Sie sich überall und jederzeit prüfen. Unsere PDFs sind prüfungsbereit, sorgfältig zusammengestellt und bleiben stets aktuell. Tausende Lernende haben sich bereits erfolgreich zertifizieren lassen und vertrauen auf unsere Qualität. Zertifizierte Fachkräfte stehen bereit, um Ihre Fragen zu beantworten. Starten Sie heute und geben Sie Ihrer Vorbereitung den entscheidenden Vorteil mit Exam Heist. Besuchen Sie examheist.com. Exam Heist. Ihr Weg zum Erfolg beginnt hier.
Question 1. This question requires that you evaluate the underlined text to determine if it is correct. You have a Power Apps app. You create a new version of the app and then publish the new version. A customer goes through the process of restoring the previous version of the app. In the Version tab for the app, you will see two versions of the app. Review the underlined text. If it makes the statement correct, select "No changes needed." If the statement is incorrect, select the answer choice that makes the statement correct. Option A, no changes needed. Option B, 1. Option C, 3. Option D, 4. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, 3. Question 2. A company uses Dynamics 365 Sales. The company uses a browser-based app named Sales Hub. You need to ensure that users can access data from mobile devices. Which app should users install? Option A, Dynamics 365 Remote Assist. Option B, Dynamics 365 Finance. Option C, Dynamics 365 Business Central. Option D, Dynamics 365 for phones. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, Dynamics 365 for phones. Question 3. You are a customer service manager. You need to implement a Power Apps portal that allows customers to submit cases. Which type of data source is used? Option A, Dynamics 365 Connector. Option B, Microsoft SharePoint. Option C, Microsoft Azure Storage. Option D, Common Data Service. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, Common Data Service. Question 4. A distribution company has multiple warehouses. Tax rates charged on sales orders need to be calculated based on locality and region. You need to recommend a cost-effective solution that can be implemented quickly. What should you recommend? Option A, check App Source for a tax add-on. Option B, create alerts in Dynamics 365 Finance for tax table changes. Option C, implement the Common Data Model. Option D, run a Power BI report. Option E, write scripts and code tax updates. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, run a Power BI report. Question 5. You need to implement Microsoft Business applications along with the Microsoft Power Platform. Which three Microsoft products are part of the Power Platform? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, Power Apps. Option B, Azure Active Directory. Option C, Power Automate. Option D, Azure Machine Learning. Option E. Power BI. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A, Power Apps, Option C, Power Automate, Option E, Power BI. Question 6. A large retail company implements Power Apps, Microsoft Flow, and the Common Data Service. The board of directors is asking whether users are finding value in the technology. The company would like to measure and report usage of the software. You need to recommend a tool to determine software usage. What should you recommend? Option A. Microsoft Intune. Option B. Azure Stream Analytics. Option C. Power Platform Analytics. Option D. Dynamics 365 Product Insights. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C, Power Platform Analytics. Question 7. A company uses Power Platform. You must ensure that users cannot share customer data with other users. You must also ensure that users cannot connect to data sources unless you grant the user explicit permissions to access a data source. You need to recommend solutions to meet the company's security requirements. Which two types of policies should you recommend? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A. Office Cloud Policies. Option B. Group Policy Objects. Option C. Environment Level Policies. Option D. Tenant Level Policies. Option E. Preset Security Policies. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C, Environment Level Policies. Option D, Tenant Level Policies. Question 8. A company is creating a Canvas app to track and analyze customer visits to their retail stores. Data about customer visits is stored on premises at each retail store location. The app must display data about customer visits when users launch the app. You need to ensure that the data is available for consumption by the app. Which tool should you use? Option A. Connector. Option B. Microsoft Dataverse. Option C. Data Source. Option D. Power Automate. Option E. Data Gateway. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option E, Data Gateway. Question 9. A company currently does not separate testing, development and production as per Standard Application Lifecycle Management (ARM) protocol. The company uses Power Apps for accounting and sales processes. The company needs to use only one login account per user. The company also must prevent development and testing from impacting production. You need to implement a solution to meet the requirements. Which method should you select? Option A. Separate environments. Option B. Separate tenants. Option C. Separate Microsoft Azure storage blobs. Option D. Separate connectors. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A, Separate environments. Question 10. A company is evaluating ways that they can implement AI Builder. For which two scenarios can you use AI Builder? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A. Send emails to all users who subscribe to a service. Option B. Synchronize data from an external database. Option C. Collect data from several data sources and display a dashboard that shows trending data. Option D. Interpret images and perform an action based on the image. Option E. Detect patterns in data and predict outcomes. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. Interpret images and perform an action based on the image. Option E. Detect patterns in data and predict outcomes. Question 11. A company plans to use AI Builder to help improve business performance. You need to determine which AI models are available for use. Which 3 types of models can you use? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A: linear regression. Option B: prediction. Option C: object detection. Option D: anomaly detection. Option E: text classification. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B: prediction. Option C: object detection. Option E: text classification. Question 12. A company uses Microsoft 365 in Dynamics 365 sales. The company does not have any developers on its staff. You need to explain to the executives the benefits of using Power Platform apps. What are 2 benefits? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A: users can send emails from Dynamics 365 sales to their personal email addresses. Option B: users can create Power Apps to create apps for different departments. Option C: users can use Power Automate to share information between Microsoft 365 and Dynamics 365 sales. Option D: the company can unify all the mobile devices to one vendor. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B: users can create Power Apps to create apps for different departments. Option C: users can use Power Automate to share information between Microsoft 365 and Dynamics 365 sales. Question 13. A company uses Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management and Dynamics 365 Finance. User account data must be synchronized between the 2 systems. You need to ensure that the synchronized data is stored in one place. What should you use? Option A: Azure IoT Central. Option B: Azure Active Directory. Option C: SQL Server. Option D: Microsoft Dataverse. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D: Microsoft Dataverse. Question 14. What is a benefit of deploying Microsoft 365 and Dynamics 365 apps in the same tenant? Option A: use common data services to connect to application data. Option B: you only need to set up groups in Microsoft 365 for permissions to all data. Option C: users can access both Microsoft 365 and Dynamics 365 by using single sign-on. SSO. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Users can access both Microsoft 365 and Dynamics 365 by using single sign-on. SSO.